How to turn on ghost mode on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable ghost mode on Snapchat easily. So all what you have to do is just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your avatar. Now this is my avatar. Go to the top corner again and click on the settings option. Now it will take you to this page. Here you will find many options. All what you have to do is just scroll down until you find see my location option. Click on it, and right here, as you can see, you will find ghost mode, and you can turn it on just by clicking on it right here. Very easy and fast. Please, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.